We are pleased to show you the 2016 Charger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, remote engine start, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find capless fuel filler system, cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, 2.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.